The lake is calm, the shore is deep. The promises I couldn't keep are sleeping in a gentle sleep. A harvest that I'll never reap. I see it just beneath the blue, so beautifully and sadly new. The ghost of me, the ghost of you, a different and a hazy view. And the sunken toy is a memory that the water holds for only me. The summer sun, the faded boat, the single lonely hopeful note, the heavy lump within my throat, a story that I never wrote. And time has passed, the water's cold, a story that will not grow old, more precious than silver or gold, a beauty that I get to hold. And the sunken toy is a memory that the water holds for only me. And I could reach, but I'll let it be. A quiet piece of history. So beautifully and sadly free. For no one else to ever see. For only me. So quietly. A silent sea. The sky is gray, a silver sheet. The rhythm of the sleeping street. A feeling oh so bittersweet. A victory and a defeat. And the harbor wakes to a brand new day. The ghosts of night just slip away. I wouldn't have it any other way, but I just wish that they would stay. The water's calm, a sheet of glass. quiet feelings grow, a seed of peace I mean to sow, the only home